Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to share our project for subject Additive Manufacturing. The name of our project is TUMBLER Design. First at all, I will introduce my team member. This is Afiq Hakimi, Muhammad Hafiz Azamuddin, Wan Muhammad Sulaimi, and myself, Zul Helmi. Next, I will explain the first part, that is background project. There are various type of tumbler with handle in marketplace with a various type of design and style. But for our project, we are more focusing on the functional of the tumbler handle. So we are decide to design a tumbler handle that can hold with ergonomic for the tumbler. This design is also form a tumbler holder for mounting upon a movable support, wherein the position of the support change periodically, and we are in the holder is pivotable, universally relate to the support, so the tumbler remain upright and the content thereof will not spill regardless of the position of the support. Still, a further object of this design is to form a simple, easier assemble and disassemble holder for tumblers, which may be mount upon a stand connected to any support object such as a vehicle, boat, tray, and other, and wherein the holder may be removed from the support and may be easily disassemble for storage and cleaning, and reassemble for use when desired.
My name is Muhammad Hafiz Azamuddin. So next we move to the design statement. Design features are important to produce the product because every single aspect of production, from cost to scheduling to final consumer satisfaction, includes the design. A bad design can create a cascade effect that makes even the smallest of production runs difficult to handle. In the market nowadays, there are maybe a tumbler that not included with their holder, as due to the accessibility to hold the tumbler. We are more focusing on the function of the tumbler holder for our design project. We decided to design a simple tumbler holder that can provide the user a better grip of their tumbler and prevent the liquid from the tumbler spills out by providing a tight tumbler cover. The tumbler holder also is designed for resolve safety problem, which is it can be used when the tumbler contain hot water. It's possible to get burns when directly holding the cup with your hand. The holder is designed in such way that it can be assembled and reassembled at the convenience of the user. Lastly, our design for the tumbler itself, it is used material that can keep the temperature of the water inside the tumbler, either hot or cold, for a long time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Sulaimi. So for my part, I will talk about objective and the goal. The goal for this project is to know more about additive manufacturing for planning to final project by production and functioning product design. This project also asks to learn about the additive manufacturing process, technology, material, and application. Now I will talk about the objective. First is to hold and to improve carrying hot water, a cup or the glass. A second, to identify to remind for the holding a cup which don't have holder. And lastly, to cut costs and to produce and the product to buy 3D printer.
Okay, now it's my turn to tell all of you about the design development based on V plus APP design workbook. For the phase 00, identify opportunities. We focus to target audience of this product. That's mean primary target and secondary target. And then we have the goal of design. First, to achieve user certification of product, and then to improve safety and ease use to consumer, and then for the last, to increase product price in terms of design. Okay, for the phase 01, the key value components, we have two types of value that we concerns. For the first, functional value to acquire from the increment in product utility derived from the 3D printed personalized product. And then for the second one is the unique value. We focus in terms of different size and different shape of our product. So for the phase 03, concept refinement, we have design concepts that we have high potential. That means the functional value, and then the unique value and the sensitive value. We focus in three value. Okay, so for the phase 04, the concept selection, we use the fuse deposition modeling, FDM, the material extrusion, for the concept suitable to the manufacturer on available system. And then for the next question, do the design features have to achieve product usefulness according to the user's needs? Yes, the design comes with the stability when put on the table or easy to hold when linked. We focus to the sustainability and blending for the other key aspects relevant to company that need to be considered. So we focus on these two of value, this means sustainability and then blending for product. And then for the phase 05, the detail design, we have four kind of information is need to conclude the development of the final concept. For the first, we focusing on model functional, and then design features. Third, dimension and tolerance, that means suitable for the consumers. And then the surface finish, so the product looks nice. And then as the product assembly, for the detail design being identified, yes, we have two. For the first, 2D drawings for sketching, and then we use SolidWorks to do 3D model, and then print using flash print. Okay, so the phase 06 prototype testing, is the product able to be fabricated with different types of material? Yes, we use PLA and ABS to print it. And then when the parts product are personalized, what are the constants of the final product or final parts? So we focus on the lightweight design, and then easy to hold when drink, smooth appearance, good brightness and easy to clean, and for the important, to reduce the risk of injury for the users or for the consumers. And then for the phase 07, design ready, we convert 3D model that we do in SolidWorks, we convert into the special format, which is STL, so easy to print it. And then for the last, have you checked the validity of the model so that it's suitable for a system? Yes, we only use the flash print. That means we send to our lecturer the file, and then our lecturer will print the model.
This part, I will share the process overall. The tumbler consists 3 design parts to be assembled at the end of the drawing design for the tumbler design. In the process designing the 3D modeling, we have been used SolidWorks software to make design in 3D shape. From the sketch, we make a real dimension in this software. The design of the cover cup and the tumbler holder using idea from the previous tumbler design in market and also from media social. The main idea this tumbler come from bottle and elephant trunk. In process designing, the capabilities of additive manufacturing are taken into the tumbler design, which is the 3D modeling features and the material used. It is preferable to embed component into the parts during the construct 3D model as avoid post-processing assembly. It is advantageous as it reduces the number of separate parts that have been to be fabricated and assembled. As more parts that can be consolidated, the greater improvement of the final product as it allows the risk of incompatibility of assembly of the part at the post-processing stage. Next, for the printing process, the size of the original design of tumbler will adjust to fit the build platform due to the limitation on the platform. It is adjusted to as close to the limitation as possible. Flashprint software has been used for this process for make 3D modeling printed. This software that chosen will take part for making the 3D modeling in good surface finish or not. The parts are oriented at a position which minimizes the use of the support structure, resulting lesser material used. As shown in the process, the part will separate and place flattened on the platform of the slicer as to increase the surface area of contact of the tumbler and reduce the need of support structure. The back of the cover, tumbler holder and tumbler cup part are also laid flat on the platform of the slicer to slightly rotate to fit the slicer.
Now about a final design. For the final design, we have sketched some of the design, and you can see here. So after we know what design we want to choose, then we draw that in the SolidWorks. So over here you can see the cover cup tumbler and cup holder.
Our discussion for this project. Additive manufacturing is seen as an environmentally sustainable approach in manufacture platform. Manufacturers are learning us about from design until get the model or prototype. 3D printing is a rapidly developing technology in recent years to make easier for user. This machine will make the industry manufacture going smooth because the potential of implication additive manufacturing will can make 3D models as fast as possible to cover the problem and the work in many industries. The rapid development in additive manufacturing portray potential opportunities for growth. The application of additive manufacturing is widely used in three main industries, which are automotive, aerospace, and medical. Although this technology comes with its own unique capabilities and advantages, but it also lags behind traditional manufacturing in certain areas. Continuous research and development need to be done in order to stay competitive and grow in global market. So this project will learn from zero to additive manufacturer. It is because the topic will tell us about additive manufacturing that can apply in internship, industry workers, and make the development field in Malaysia moving forward in future.
Conclusion of our project. So for our group, we decided to choose a cup holder or tumbler as our mini project for the course BMW 233 additive manufacturing. So why we choose for this product is because the benefits in this product that we can get there's a lot. For example, one of the common reasons why people love a cup holder is the ability to take it anywhere or anytime. It means it will fit essentially in their cars especially. Then, these cup holders are designed to carry more standard size for the consumer, easy to bring it. So it will keep your drink maintained either hot or cold in a whole day. Not only that, we're trying to design the product to become some different in terms of shape or in terms of the functionality to attract the consumers to love it very much. So these cup holders are also environmentally friendly as they are a cylinder shape and have a nice holder as easy to bring it. Hence, our product cup holder is designed and produced using additive manufacturing with the method of the fuse deposition that's known as FDM 3D printing. The material for the production of the product we are using is thermoplastic, which is polyethyl acid, as known as PLA. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure for all of you watching this video. Again, thank you.